Twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are.
Well, the song and rhyme sessions are held weekly in our libraries. Some of those are delivered by myself and others are delivered by branch library staff. The sessions are usually bilingual, so there's some English and Welsh language content. In Welsh we say dechrau da, book start in English, but dechrau da is giving a good start. So we want to give the youngest members in our society a good start in life, and that is really starting at the beginning with rhymes, nursery rhymes, action songs, lots of repetition. The actions reinforce the words, and as you see from the session, that the engagement and enjoyment, it's fun, it's enjoyable, both for adults and children.
We love coming here because Mae'r, the lady who leads the session, is very fun, engaging. Dakota loves her. She's very smiley and welcoming. Even if you're running a little bit late, it's it's not judgmental. She's also happy to just see us attending the sessions. It's a free resource as well, which is really important, especially people who are on a budget, because some baby classes are so expensive. What's handy too is you can kind of just pop in when it suits you. So if for whatever reason you can't make it, that's fine, you can just come the next week.
The sessions are free to attend. They're available weekly in term time. There's no need to book or register in advance. You can just turn up with your little one